big bag, yeah. Asking about his bitch, he want his bitch back, nah. He don't want the beef, blow his shit back, yeah. Thinking he get checked, but he don't get that, nah.
Yeah, I'm young and reckless, keep that motherfucking Drake with me. Dreaded being broke, so I had to do what I know. Mama always ain't had it, so I turned that slice into a loaf.
What is up? Back with another video, and in this video I'm just basically giving an explanation of why I haven't put up a truck video in a while. I'm saying in a while, it's only been like a week, but I can't put up a video now because it's kind of broken. It's not broken, I just need to put in a new clutch master cylinder and everything like that. So dead ass recording in the rain right now, but I had to get a new clutch swing arm and a new master cylinder because my master cylinder went out. But I thought it was just the push rod, the actual push rod eye and arm that comes with the truck, like the OEM one, because mine was plastic for some reason. Like everybody else usually has metal, mine's was plastic. So I got this to like fix it, a Heim joint mod or whatever they call it on Diesel Ply, and I thought that would do the job, but it didn't. So I cut the lever, like the pin on my swing arm eye. I fucked everything up. I'm not very upset about it because, you know, it's kind of my fault. The truck is very undrivable right now. It's to the point where it runs perfect. It runs like a champ. It's running great, but it's just undrivable, and it kind of sucks just seeing something so beautiful out here that I've been working on day and night and I can't drive. Yeah, that's basically what it is. I just need to put in that new master cylinder, and I already have the parts and everything and all that. I don't know if I'm gonna record a video for that because, you know, every time I try and record me working on something, I stop recording and I forget I'm recording and shit like that. So it's kind of hard. I wish I had a GoPro. I need a GoPro, but I wish I can't even start it right now because there's nothing connected to the clutch to even start it. Like if I press the pedal, it's gonna go straight to the floor. I have a new swing arm on the way. That should be here Monday. We can, you know, get this thing back on the road, hopefully. That's the only problem. Just get that master cylinder in, get it bled up, and, you know, have everything fixed. But that's the reason I haven't been able to drive my truck. I've been driving my other car. I apologize for the lateness, and fuck, I apologize. Just give me some time, and we'll be back right to it, right to the regular shit. Back on working on the truck, making this thing faster, making it a beast. And yeah, so wow, this camera's really wet. I mean, it's good enough. Like and subscribe, you know, if you want to. I mean, hey, I'd really appreciate if you did, but I'm not forcing you to. That's what I'm saying. So, you know, do what you got to do. But thank you guys so much for watching.